Hello, hello, this is Els coming to you from Bemis Crafty Corner, and I went on a Scavenger. I did. I went Scavenger. I went yesterday too, but I really didn't get anything. I really didn't get anything to report. Um, Yesterday was kind of fill the cabinets, like rebuild the supply kind of thing. So I really didn't get a whole lot of stuff that I would share with you guys. Just wouldn't. Because it was just normal stuff. But today, I took the Amy and we were once again on the hunt looking for the ever elusive dye. Amy's been having a bit of a problem coming up with the dye for the colors that she needs. So we have been going a little bit further abroad trying to find them as of late. And today we were very successful and she got all the colors that she needed. So let me show you what I found on my Scaventure. I found this, which is an 8.5 by 14 inch 4-column analysis pad. It's kind of in a peachy color. But it's really cool because instead of being like, the normal one where it goes across the book, this one's 14 inches long and it comes down. So it's extra long. So if you fold this in half, you've got 7 inches. So you've got a nice size page. So grab that. And I saw this. And to be honest, it was this that sold me. I love these dividers. They are so stinking cute. It's supposed to be like a photo album. But I loved the dividers. So I decided I would go ahead and grab this. Probably going to make a journal out of it. Because I just think it would look stinking cute. So grab that. Then I saw this, and this is like cardstock in here. And it's like, one of those little, oh, I need a piece of paper, let me write a note kind of thing. But it's cardstock, and so I grabbed it. I love the color of it, but it's Amy. I don't know. It reminded me of Amy, so I grabbed it. I also found some red, pink, and white heart-shaped doilies. I thought, Valentine's Day is coming. Let's grab those. I found these, which I thought were stinking cute. So they look like, they're not as long as a Rolodex card, but they sort of look like they belong on a Rolodex. But they have lines that go across them. Not this way. It goes this way. So, not exactly sure. These will probably end up in Amy's vat. I found some packages of Battenberg lace, a couple of different designs, a couple round ones, a couple square ones, brand new in the package, so I grabbed those. And I found this. This is from Joann's Scrap Essential Die Cuts. This is called the Everyday Collection, and it is. There's lipstick in here, paint brushes, dog dishes, cards, stacks of books, that kind of thing. So I grabbed those. There's a couple houses back there and all kinds of stuff. It's 110 pieces, so I grabbed that. And I found these. And these are a colorful collection of unique perfection. It's called Mix and Mingle Treasures. These are A7 pockets, 5 by 7 inches. And I thought this would be cute to make to put a pocket. I love the front of it. So I thought this would be cute to make like a pocket on a journal or something. How stinking cute would that be? And then decorate around it, So I grabbed those. And I saw these. These are Great Buildings of Washington, D.C. They're knowledge cards, and they are from the Library of Congress. And they're black and white photos of historic locations in and around Washington. So I grabbed these, and I just thought, they're just really cool kind of vintage old buildings around Washington and other, national monuments and stuff. So I grabbed those, and there's a couple of them that I want, and some of them, I'll probably sell, who knows. So I grabbed those. And then I went to this little store. It's Faith Lutheran Thrift Store. And I don't go there often because, well, they've been closed lately, but they opened up, and today they were open. And I found this, and it's a 45 millimeter blade, but it's not for cutting. This one is for scoring. And they have these, and these are from Boys Town from 2019, and they're like paper coasters, and they were just stinking adorable. So I grabbed them, and I thought, you know, somebody could probably use those for something really cool. So I grabbed those. And then I found this cutting die from Sizzix, brand new. Looks like it's never been used. I found this from Clover. It's a yo-yo maker. It makes 2 3/8 inch or 60 millimeter yo-yos. And it's supposed to be easy. Let's see what else. I also found these. Now, if you're from my age and my generation, you probably remember these. Your mom probably gave them to you when you were a kid and went to summer camp. These are copyright 1981. And what they are is little writing. You used to take this, and your mom would stick this in your stuff to go to camp. It was like stamped and pre-addressed and everything. But you would write a little note. Hey, Mom, camp sucks. Food's gross. Can't stand the bug juice. It rained for 3 days. Love you. Bye. Then you would close it, and you put one of these little seals on it. And then you would, you know, put a stamp on the front and address it, and then you'd mail it off. And whoever you were sending to would get your letter. But very vintage, very cool. You know, they're a little over 40 years old. So I grabbed those. And that was kind of it for my, like, Scaventure. But when I got home, I found cool stuff. So let me grab this. Get it out of the way. Put these back in the box. Alright, all this stuff out the way. Move. Move. Come with me. You over here. Alright, so when I got home, I had some packages. The first package I had was this one right here. I got this from Amazon. I ordered it yesterday, and it came today. And it is elastic cord, you know, like we use for our travel journals and stuff. Well, I was getting mine at, I think, Walmart, and I was paying like $2.97 for 30 feet, 10 yards. This is 109 yards, and I got 3 of them for like $6. So definitely worth the money. I probably would have preferred 2 blacks and a white, but they only had this way, 2 whites and a black, so I grabbed it. Figured, what the heck, right? Also, for those of you that are into it, I have the Alice's Adventures in Wonderland, the postcards, back. These are going to be back in the shop. I picked up some new ephemera. A couple of different kinds. I'll show you this one here. So this one is like, it looks like postage stamps. And, you know, there's all kinds of different, like, flowers and stuff. They're kind of cool. So it's pretty. And these are washi stickers. Look at cabbage roses. So these are washi stickers. And, you know, they're just made out of washi tape. So I will probably be having some of these in the shop here in the next day or so. This is the first shipment, so it's like the, hey, what do you think? So we'll see if I like them. If I do, then I'll be putting some in the shop. If not, then I won't. And recently, I have been putting the faux ephemera, the faux vintage ephemera in the shop. We had, a couple weeks back, we had the bus ticket ones that were in a pack. And a few weeks, like 2 weeks ago, I brought out the new ones, which was like ice coupons and receipts and grocery bills and things like that. Well, I liked those. So we had the bus tickets and we had the claim ticket type ones. And I said, well, what else could we do? So I got a hold of my supplier and I said, what else can I do? And he says, well, I have some like boarding pass kind of thing. And I went, okay, let's see those. So he sent me some of these, and I have to be honest, these are adorable. There's Copenhagen. There is a rain check for the New York Statue of Liberty tickets. Sydney Snapes Park. The Met Zones 1 through 3 for Brandenburg Gate. There's one here for Paris. Edinburgh. That's for the Ravelston Gardens. Prague Castle. This is a Buenos Aires Metro card. This is for some kind of a birthday party celebration or something like that for Roland Field in Cape Town, South Africa. And then this one here, which is for London Hyde Park. And again, it's, you know, they stamp it. It's like a ticket to go in for travel in Hyde Park on the little bus thing that they have there, the little motor tram thing. So I grabbed all of those because, you know, that was cool. And so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of these. I don't know how I'm going to put them in the shop just yet, how we're going to list them, but I'm going to be getting these in as well. There's a couple of packs of each, so we'll get them in the shop. That's it, guys. That's all I have. Listen, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that red button for me, like me, ring the bell, share me with all your friends. Till I see you again, bye-bye.